back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you how I make my sugarless whole wheat multigrain bread. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for coming. Don't you forget to subscribe, watch my ads at least for a minute, 2 minutes. That is going to help me to upkeep my YouTube channel. So let's get started. I'll be showing you here today how I make this delicious no sugar bread. Alright, so I'm going to sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour into my dish, and then I'm going to add 3 cups of whole wheat flour. The all-purpose flour is to help the whole wheat flour together. I like to mix it with a cup. I'm going to add some Quaker oats in here, or we would say oatmeal. I also have a selection of grains here that I'm going to be listing in the description box below. Alright, so what I'm going to do is add some of the grains into here. I'll just leave a little bit just for the topping of my bread. Add them in here. I love to see colors when I cook, and not only colors, I love taste. Alright, flavor must be on top. So once you add these grains into here, I'm going to just mix them up together, making sure that everything is well incorporated. You can't forget salt, alright? No sugar in here. And at this time, I am going to use some warm 2% milk. I do not use cold water when I'm mixing flour, whether I'm using yeast or baking powder. So I did add some yeast, and I'm adding some warm 2% milk. Give it a nice little mix, just like this. And it all depends on the type of consistency that you're looking for. Then you're going to add the amount of liquid. I like to mix my flour a little soft and tacky. I think I get a better outcome like that. Mix it in like this. Then pour it onto your floured surface. And we're going to give it a little knead just for about 2 minutes. Now I add a heapful of tablespoon butter and just mix it in like this. It doesn't take long to mix in, guys. This bread is so healthy and nice. As you can see, I'm not using any vegetable shortening, just a little bit of 2% milk and just a little bit of butter. And that's about it. Make a dough ball and place my dish right over the top and let it sit there until it doubles in size, or at least for 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is what my dough looks like. I'm going to separate it into 2 pieces, just like this. And I have my non-stick baking pan. You can also grease your pans if you want to, but I'm using non-stick pan. And just make a nice little roll. This type of bread does not require too much of kneading. And place it into my pan just like this. As you can see here, I am going to just take a little bit of the 2% milk and just base the top. Sprinkle with some oats and some of the extra seeds that I left out there, the pumpkin seeds, the peanuts, the poppy seeds, and all these other kind of grains there, guys. And then I'm going to just let it sit for 1 hour to rise. At this time I have an oven at 350 degrees, and you put this in to bake for 25 minutes or until it is brown and nice. And there you have it. It's very healthy, guys. You know, you can't go all the time eating all that sugar and all that white bread, so we gotta switch it up. Alright, now that it's cool, let's cut into it and let you see what it looks like. So as you can see, there are a lot of grains and seeds into here, and this is my multigrain whole wheat bread. Look at how soft and delicate my bread is. I'll just squeeze it and show you. It is still moist and nice. Very healthy for you guys, so don't you forget to give it a try. Leave me a comment, let me know how it turned out, and also don't you forget to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, and stay with me for many more simple, easy cooking methods. So enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.